Alam niyo po bang pinakamabilis sa paraan para maging masaya? What is the quickest and easiest way to be happy? Ito po, yung tingnan mo sa buhay mo kung ano yung meron ka. To see and appreciate what you have. That is the quickest and easiest way to be happy. And what is the easiest way to be sad? Ano yung pinakamabilis at madaling paraan para naman maging malungkot? Yung tingnan mo sa buhay mo, yung wala. When you're trying to find what is missing in your life, you will be sad and miserable. Ang kasabihan, happiness is not having everything, but happiness is being thankful for everything in your life. So the question is, are you thankful for what you have in your life? Have you looked around at your life? And have you been grateful for these things, for the people that you have, the experiences that you have undergone? Dahil kung hindi mo pinapansin, tinitignan, pinapasalamatan ang mga bagay-bagay sa buhay mo, magiging malungkot ka. Amen? Remember that gratitude is a free antidepressant. Meron po mga ibang tao, depressed, may sakit. Ang sakit nila, chronic sadness. Palaging nalulungkot. At ano po ang binibigay ng doktor? May gamot silang pinapainom sa kanila. Pero hindi mo kailangan uminom ng gamot para maging masaya ka. Napakasimple lang. Manatili ka, buksan mong iyong mata, buksan mong iyong tenga, buksan mong iyong puso, at tanungin mong iyong sarili, ano ba ang nandirito sa aking buhay? Sino ba ang nandirito sa aking buhay? Ano na ba ang aking nagawa sa buhay? See, Jesus was also doing this in the gospel. He was listing his accomplishment, and Jesus was praying over them to the Father. Jesus was presenting them to his Father. Sabi niya, I have glorified your name. I have finished the work which you gave me to do. I have proclaimed your name to men. I have given them your word. Kaya nga masaya ang ating Panginoon. Kasi meron siyang natapos sa mga pinapagawa ng kanyang Ama. Oo, marami pang kailangan gawin eh. Hindi pa talaga tapos ang misyon. Hanggang ngayon, tinutuloy natin ang misyon na iniwan ng ating Panginoon. Pero hindi ibig sabihin, dahil meron pang kulang, hindi ka na magpapasalamat. Oo, may kailangan pang gawin, pero tandaan mo, may nagawa na. At ang tanong, nagpasalamat ka na ba doon sa natapos na? I want you to remember this, my dear friends, that you should not wait for everything to be perfect, for you to be grateful. But please, be grateful, and then everything will be perfect. Ang taong palaging nagpapasalamat, anong karanasan niya? Karanasan na masaya dahil ganap, may nakompleto na. Ang problema sa atin, pag dumadaan tayo sa problema, nawawalan tayo ng pag-asa. Our problems make us hopeless. And what does hopelessness mean? Anong ibig sabihin ng walang pag-asa? You do not see any way forward. Di po ba? Kaya nga sinasabi ng iba, wala na po talaga, Father eh. Wala nang solusyon, wala nang magawa. When you are hopeless, you are blind to the future. Bulag ka sa paparating. Bulag ka sa pwedeng gawin. Anong kailangan gawin? Anong pwedeng gawin pag ikaw ay walang pag-asa, maraming problema? Manatili ka muna at pwede kang lumingon at tignan anong nangyari, ano nang nagawa mo, ano nang natapos mo. Remember that, my dear friends. When you cannot see any way forward, just remain where you are and look back. Look back at what you have accomplished in your life. Because many times, we thought that we would not survive our problems.